Welcome to Boolean Searching from the Northeast State Community College Wayne G. Baszler Library. In this video, we are going to learn about how we can use the words and, or, and not to refine a keyword search. So, what do you do when your search term has synonyms or is a homonym, has a word or words that sound like it, or you just get way too many unrelated results when you do your search? You use Boolean operators. Don't let the term throw you off. This is just a way to use the words and, or, and not to help you refine your search. When you do a search on Google, it ignores those words and looks for pages that have all, some, or one of your search terms. That's why you can get so many results, with a large number of them having nothing to do with what you want. When you use these in a database search, they will narrow or widen your results. Let's take a look at what each one does. It might seem like and would give you more results, but it actually narrows your search down by looking for items that contain both words instead of just one. This is good to use when you get lots of results that aren't really related to what you want. Your term may be found in conjunction with other topics that you don't want. You will want to choose another term that will narrow the results down to your specific topic. For example, if you want to find articles that discuss pet ownership of multiple types of animals at one time, you might want to use cats and dogs for articles about people who have both. You can use and to deal with homonyms by choosing a term that would specify your usage of the term. The picture illustrates what using and does to your search. Circle A is all of the results with one term, and Circle B is all of the results with the second term. Area C, where the circles overlap, is the results that have both term A and term B, which is significantly less than either of the terms separately. Or is almost the opposite of and. Or gives you more results by looking for either of the terms entered. Use or when you want to include synonyms in your search. Following our example from and, say you now want to find pet ownership articles, but you don't really care which type they have, just that they have either cats or dogs. The picture illustrates what using or does to your search. Circle A is all the results with one term, and Circle B is all the results with the second term. Using or will give you the results of both Circle A and Circle B. Usually there's some overlap, C, but not always. Not acts like and by narrowing your results. You can use it to exclude terms that you do not want. Using our pet example, you could search dogs, not cats, to get results that do not include cat owners. You can use this to remove results for homonyms by using not with a term that would indicate the other usage of your term. The picture illustrates what using not does to your search. Circle A is all the results with one term, and Circle B is all of the results with the second term. Using A not B will give you the results of Circle A minus C, the part that overlaps with Circle B. We have just seen what the words and, or, and not can do to a search in a database. And not work to narrow your search results, while or broadens them. Take some time to explore them for yourself and see how they work in different databases. Remember to enter them in all capital letters, as some databases only recognize them that way. If you need any help designing your search strategy and using Boolean searching, or have questions about how to find or cite sources, please don't hesitate to contact one of your friendly librarians. We are here to help you. Visit us at the library, chat with us live, call us, email us, or make an appointment for an individualized one-on-one session.